Whatever happened to privacy rights? See, this is an amazing thing. Privacy rights, somebody testifies about, in general, their behavior. The whole nation is supposed to watch. It's a spectacle. A nation that just had its credit rating lowered, a nation that is facing a potentially nuclearized Iran, a nation that is facing a spread of communism south of its border, a nation that's facing other mob cartels bleeding over the southern border, a nation where the people are losing the value of their biggest asset, their homes, a nation where real unemployment is between 15 and 20%, a nation where the debt burden on the next generation and the generation after that has the potential of collapsing the entire society. And you say we're focused on condoms? No, they're focused on eviscerating the Constitution. One piece at a time. The Commerce Clause, which is to protect private property rights and capitalism, is being used against us in Obamacare. The First Amendment, religious liberty. And the Ninth Amendment, individual sovereignty. They're being used against us. Again, Obamacare. Obamacare had less to do with health care and everything to do with the final nail in the coffin of a free society. Everything they've always wanted to do is in nationalized or universal health care. Ladies and gentlemen, if you read Plato's Republic, which I did, many of you have, I've read it many times, and I have it in its relevant, condensed, most important aspects of it in Ameritopia, you will see that in his ideal society, it was crucial that the philosopher king control health care. You will see in Thomas More's Utopia a radical egalitarian society. Some believe it was fiction, some don't. It doesn't matter. Many of the early prominent communists even referred to it to justify what would later become communism. In Utopia, Thomas More's Utopia, again, control over the healthcare system is key. And why? Because if you control the healthcare system, you control virtually everything relevant to the individual. That's why. If you control the individual's access to healthcare, to medicine, to doctors, even in its most rudimentary form, way back when, you control the individual. You can see Obamacare is being used to undo various aspects of the Constitution. As I said, the Commerce Clause, part of the First Amendment, and there'll be more. There'll be more. This debate isn't really about condoms. This debate's not really about free condoms. This debate's not really about Ms. Fluke. This debate is about you and liberty and the rule of law. It all comes down to that.